Hi everyone, this is the complete PC optimization guide for Mechabellum game. I will show you guys the 14 important settings that you need to apply to optimize your PC for this game. So now the first important setting is set high performance power plan. So go to the Windows search and just type here the control panel and simply open it. Now just click on the option of power option and here just click on the option of create a power plan. Then just select the high performance power plan, then click on the next, then just create it. Now, the next important setting is turn off system configuration services. Go to the Windows search and just type here the system configuration, then open it, then just go to the services. Now here just check this box of hide all Microsoft services, then just disable all of these. As you can see, I already stopped the services, then just click on apply, then click on the OK. Now the next setting is disable startup apps from task manager. So make a right click on your taskbar, you will see the task manager, open it. Now go to the startups on the top. Now here guys, simply disable all of these applications because when you start your PC, these applications start automatically without your permission and causing a lot of CPU or RAM usage and causing your game crashing issues or the performance issues. So make a right click on all of these that are useless and disable all of these. Now, the next important setting is clear all Windows cache or junk files. Go to the Windows setup with the disk cleanup, open it, then just click on the OK. Now here guys, simply check all of these boxes because these are the junk files or cache files on your PC, which is the temporary files or any other. Then click on the OK, then delete all of these files. Now, once it was deleted, now go to the Windows search again and type it the run and open it. Now here just type that temp. So once you type it, click on the OK. Now you will see all the cache file or the junk file. So select all of these, then delete all of these, then click on the continue. So go to the Windows search again, type it the run, open it, type here the percentage and temp percentage. Guys, once you type it, then click on the OK. Now you will see all the cache files or the junk files again. So select them all, then right click on that, then click on the delete and click on the continue. So some files won't delete, so you can skip these files if these are not deleting. So once you delete all of these files, then just leave it from here. Now the next important setting is disable high precision event timer for increased FPS. Go to the Windows search and just type here the device manager and simply open it. Now here just scroll down and just look for the system devices. Now here just look for the high precision event timer. So once you find it, so make a right click on it and just disable this. As you can see the option of enable because I already disabled this. So once you disable it, close it. Now the next important setting is close background apps in task manager. Now this is not very important, so we are skipping. Now the next important setting is disable background apps from privacy settings. So go to the Windows setup with the privacy settings and open it, and on the left hand side just scroll down and click on the background apps. Now here just close all the background application because these are the useless or unnecessary. Now the next setting is off notification. Now this is completely on you. If you want to disable the notification, then you can follow these steps. Go to the Windows search, open up the setting, just search for it. Then click on the system, then click on the notification. Now here just turn off the notification. Now the next important setting is off turn on fast startup. So go to the Windows search and just type here the control panel and open it. Now here just click on the option or power option. Then just click on the option of choose what the power button do. Then just click on the change on the top. Now here just uncheck this box of turn on fast startup recommended. Then just click on the save changes. Now the next important setting is enable game mode. Go to the Windows search and just type here the game mode and simply open it, and guys just turn it on if this is off. Now the next important setting is increase virtual memory. So go to the Windows search and just type in the view advanced system setting, open it, then just click on the setting, then go to the advanced, then just click on the change option. Now here just select your C drive where your operating system is installed, then just click on the custom size, then go to the Windows search, type in the calculator and open it. Now guys, if you have the 16 GB of RAM, then just multiply it with the constant value, which is the 1024, and just type this value in the initial size. Then just multiply it to the 3 and just type this value in the maximum size. Now if you have the 32 GB of RAM, then just multiply it to the 1024 and just type this value in the initial size. then multiply it with the 3 and just type this value in the maximum size. Now your virtual memory is increased, then just click on the set option, then click on the OK, then just click on apply, then click on the OK, then click on the OK again. Now the next setting is increase processor. So go to the Windows search tab with the system configurations and open it. Now here you will see the option of boot on the top. Then click on the advanced option. Then just select here the maximum number of processors you have, guys. If you have any number of processors selected, click on the apply, click on the OK. Now the next important setting is core isolation. Go to the Windows search and just type with the core isolation and open it. Now here you will see the option of memory integrity. So just turn it off. This is not necessary. So just turn it off. Now the next setting is graphic settings. So go to the Windows setup with the graphic settings and simply open it. Now here just click on your game, then click on the option, then just select it to the high performance. Now to add the game, click on the browse option and here just locate your game launcher where your game is installed. Now, once you open up your game folder, then just select your game launcher, then click on the option, then just select it to the high performance. Now, the additional Windows setting is make sure your graphic card is updated to the latest version and also make sure that your Windows is updated to the latest version. After all of the settings, simply restart your PC and then launch the game and now your PC is completely optimized for this game. And guys, if you find this video helpful, so please consider liking this video and bye bye and take care.